Shwmae a chroeso I Skedi Lane. We'll be heading over to FAW HQ soon for the quarter-final draw, but first we are here at Swansea Uni FC to see how they'll be getting on facing GUILSFIELD. The visitors have made the round trip of 230 miles to be here today, and we'll find out a little bit more about that soon. And we've also caught up with SALTNEY Town to see how they've been preparing to face Cymru Premier side ABERYSTWYTH as they fight for their place in the quarter-finals. So Paul, first of all, congratulations on making it this far in the Welsh Cup. Of course, a place in the quarter-finals is up for grabs. What has it been like preparing for an away fixture in the Welsh Cup?
Well, very hectic. It took a lot of organising and, coaches and long journeys and preparation with the players and managers, but it's been a good road. We've done it through the Welsh Cup this year. We've done all the travelling, so hopefully it'll be good.
So you haven't had a home fixture so far?
We haven't had a home fixture this year.
Wow.
Yeah, we played Llandudno, we played FAWales, and now in this round we've got Swansea University.
Well, hopefully that's a good luck sign then.
Well, it could be a good luck sign, let's hope so.
But how has it been preparing for the travel? Of course, now you're used to it now, like you mentioned.
Well, we are used to it, but it does take a lot of organisation, getting the players all together, and nobody wants to leave cars anywhere, so we have to make sure all the players are sorted for the home journey. But yeah, good. We've got a good travel service, and the bus company's been excellent.
Perfect. And tell me a bit about your history in the Welsh Cup. How have you done previously in previous years?
Well, we're a village club, a small village club, and we've always entered the Welsh Cup. And it is 10 years now since we actually reached the quarter-final and played Bangor City in the quarter-final. We unfortunately went out to Bangor in that round, who went on to win it.
Oh, incredible. And hopefully you can repeat that this year.
Well, let's hope so. We're confident, but it'll be a hard game.
What will it mean for the players and the staff then to reach the quarterfinals again after 10 years?
For GUILSFIELD Football Club, small village, pride and joy. It's a proud day really to be involved in the Welsh Cup. Well, it's half-time here at Skedi Lane, where GUILSFIELD are leading 2-0. Before kick-off, I caught up with Darren MEREDITH, the chairman of SALTNEY Town, to find out how they've been grafted to prepare for the visit of ABERYSTWYTH Town. Thank you so much for joining us today. I know you've got a huge match ahead of you.
We have, yeah. It's all go down here at the moment. I've sneaked off to hide in the community centre for some peace.
How are you feeling now ahead of being in the fourth round of the Welsh Cup? You've got a huge match against ABERYSTWYTH today. How have you been preparing to host them?
It's been all go. We've decided to have a bit of a tart up to the ground, and as usual down here, we have an idea to do one thing, then we think let's do something else as well. So we've ended up doing a lot of work down here this week, and decided to put on breakfast for all the players and the volunteers this morning as well. So, and the mower's broken down. You might have seen on social media this morning. So it's been all go.
Oh, good. That sounds wonderful though, that you've all come together. Has it been a real community effort, all come together to prepare for this match? Yeah,
we had one of our juniors coaches take a day off to come down and help. We've had people here pretty much every day from early morning till the light goes down basically. So yeah, all hands on deck.
And I saw the video on social media of you all coming together to watch the last draw for the round 4. Everyone seems to be really invested in this for the club. It's big, isn't it?
It is big, yeah. Like I put in my programme notes today, we're not really involved in the Welsh Cup because come August, one round normally coincides with like festival season, so you got players missing and things like that. So to be able to have a chance to go far has been brilliant, and the lads have deserved to get through to in every game.
Yeah, and you've done incredible to get so far, but how will it feel to get the chance to be in the quarterfinals of the Welsh Cup?
It's I won't lie, everybody's been picturing it all week. It sounds ridiculous. We haven't been this far. I think there was a version of SALTNEY that got this far, but it was like 1912 or something like that.
Oh wow!
So yeah, we've exceeded expectations, but we want more kind of thing. So yeah, everybody's to be in the quarterfinal would be unbelievable.
You're now Welsh Cup quarter-finalists. Congratulations. How are you feeling after that performance?
Ecstatic, yeah. Only the second time the club's got to the last 8, so yeah, tremendous. The boys were superb throughout the game. Thought we just about narrowly edged it, I think. We weren't great, but yeah, over the moon. Don't really matter about how we performed in the end. It was just about getting the win and getting into the next round. So it's great for the club, and hopefully we get a home draw in the next round.
You mentioned there, of course, you haven't had a home draw yet, but of course the away fixtures have planned out for you, haven't they? Yeah,
obviously in the draw we could have had 9 Welsh Prem teams, so we avoided all them, and we don't mind winning and having a bit of a bus journey home. So but hopefully, like I say, we can get a nice home draw in the next round.
Well, fingers crossed. And just how important is it for the club and as the players as well to be in such a prestigious cup and getting so far? Yeah,
like for myself, even as a player, I used to love the Welsh Cup, and I don't usually get nervous before games, but today I was nervous, and I think that's just the joy of the cup, I guess, and the club itself. It's massive in terms of a financial gain for this round, and it's superb for the committee members. They've come down today and they're the ones that are putting all the effort in, and whatever we want they'll try and get us, so it's great for them as well.
Well, congratulations. We'll soon find out who you'll be facing in the next round. But of course, this wasn't the only fixture on this weekend. There was so much more Welsh Cup action, and here's a roundup of all the results, starting with SALTNEY Town.
Took it to the wire, haven't I? But I'm so proud to be involved with a bunch of lads like this, and we'll never give in till the end.
I'm just proud of 11 Colwyn Bay heroes on the football pitch today. It's a big day for our football club, one we won't forget for a while.
Yn noswaith dda, chroeso i swyddfeydd Cymdeithas Bêl-droed Cymru ar gyfer tynnu'r enwau allan o'r het ar gyfer rownd wythola Cwpan JD Cymru. A warm welcome to the offices of the Football Association of Wales, where this evening we'll be conducting the draw for the quarter-final stage of the JD Welsh Cup. We had a fantastic weekend of football starting on the Friday night in the Flintshire Derby, and of course a surprise result with Colwyn Bay beating Cardiff Met and SALTNEY Town going so close against ABERYSTWYTH. So let's go straight to the draw. PENYBONT. Had to go to penalties, of course, in their win over Caernarfon Town. They will be at home to TAFFS for non-Taf. TAFFS, who enjoyed success away from home at Buckley Town. BALA enjoyed success against Haverfordwest and Ciro Hulford. Against and erbyn ABERYSTWYTH. ABERYSTWYTH, of course, who got through with the victory on penalties against SALTNEY Town in front of a crowd of well over 600. A fantastic occasion on the Saturday. The new Saints, a Seintiau Newydd. Also got through, of course, on penalties against Carmarthen, Cicio'r Smotyn yn erbyn Cyfyrddin. Gartre yn erbyn GUILSFIELD, Cygidfa, home against GUILSFIELD, Cygidfa. Great opportunity for GUILSFIELD there to cause an upset. And the last two teams. Connors Key Nomads, Key Connor, who won at Flint Town United on the Friday night. And this is the last one. Colwyn Bay by Colwyn, looking to cause another upset after defeating Cardiff Met ar ôl curo Met Caerdydd. Key Connor yn erbyn by Colwyn. Connors Key Nomads against Colwyn Bay. That concludes the draw. Some very interesting ties there. Nifer o gemau eitha cystadleuol a chyffrous i edrych ymlaen atyn nhw. And the games will be played on the weekend of February the 19th, 2022. Y gemau chwarae ar benwythnos Chwefror 4 ar 15, 2022. Thank you very much. Diolch yn fawr.